Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, you're welcome. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to attach an elastic band on your lace frontal wig in order for you to be able to wear it glowless. I will also be showing you how to install using Boldhold liquid gold. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first thing I did was to comb the hair all the way to the back, and I'm going to use Got to Be Free spray to sleek the edges as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is to apply the stocking cap on our head. Make sure you pull it over to our face, okay guys, and cut the ear tab area, okay? And I'm gonna go in with my Boldhold liquid gold. This is not a glue, this is a gel, but it's a strong gel and it dries up really fast, okay? So you want to make sure you secure the hair tab area. You can use your ratty comb to press it down while you blow dry it, or you can use one of your fingers, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead to measure out the elastic band that I'm going to be using. So you want to place the elastic band on your, just where your hair is starting, right there, okay? Then you're going to stretch it, okay? You're going to stretch it until it's comfortable for you. You don't want it to be too tight and you don't want it to be too loose. So, and that was me asking my client if that was comfortable enough for her, and she said yes. So I'm going to go ahead to cut that out, and that's what we're going to be using. By the way, you can get this elastic band from any fabric store, Walmart, Amazon, you know, just anywhere. So I let her sit under the dryer for about 5 minutes, you know, until the glue is completely dry. Gel glue, sorry, that's not a glue, sorry guys, it's a gel, until it's completely dried. And yes, so now moving on guys, so the first thing I did was to take out the comb right there. You actually don't need the comb when you're going to attach the elastic band. For me, it's not comfortable, like you don't need it. Honestly, your hair, your wig is going to be secured once you attach the elastic band. So I'm going to go ahead to take out that comb right there. The only comb you need is the one at the back, okay? So, and you want to be careful when you're cutting out the comb, okay? You don't want to cut your lace, so be careful guys. My client provided her own hair. I do not have information of where she got it from, so she just brought it for me to customize for her. So you want to place the elastic band just right there. Guys, just watch what I'm doing, pay attention to what I'm doing. And I always use blanket stitch method when I'm sewing with needle and thread. So you want to put the needle through the elastic band, through the net and elastic band, and you're just gonna do your blanket stitch method, okay, just like so. So once I was done, I'm going to cut the thread, and I'm going to make sure I knot it at least 2 to 3 times before cutting out the excess thread. So I'm going to go ahead to do the same thing on the other side. All right guys, so that's how it's looking right now. So I'm gonna go ahead to cut out the excess cap on my client's head, following our hairline, okay? That cap is secured there, okay? And that's me checking it out on my client. I'm trying to show her how to wear wig heelers. So for those of you who don't know how to wear your wig, so this is it. So you're going to hold the elastic band just like this, put it over your head and pull the elastic band to the back. Can you guys see? Then you take the comb right here, put it under the elastic band, and boom, there you go. Glueless. It's not moving over. So yeah, let her try it. Now is your turn to teach them.
Okay, so like this?
Yeah,
like flip it up?
This way.
Okay.
Sorry. Yes, this way.
This way?
So the lace is facing you.
The lace is facing, so like this?
Yes, just like that. And then yes. Yeah, right there. Take
then,
no,
oh,
the comb.
oh, right.
Yeah. Hook it under the elastic band. Yeah, like that with your hair. Boom. That's it. Is it too tight?
No, it's good. No, I'd rather it be tight than loose.
But you hope you're not too tight.
Oh, no, it's okay.
And yes, guys, that's it. That's how to make your lace frontal glueless. So, by the way, my clients would love to just, she would love for me to just kind of stock the wig down on her head because she wants to wear it for a couple of days before she can take it off and take it on by herself. So I went in with my liquid gold, apply it on her head, allow it to get tacky a little bit, just leave it for less than 1 minute, and I just put it down. Okay, just like you guys see me doing in the video. I went ahead to use my elastic band to tie it down, let her sit under the dryer for a couple of minutes, and after that, voila, we're done. Okay, so why she was there, I just went ahead to curl the hair. Okay, once she came out of the dryer, I went ahead to start to curl the hair, still leave the elastic band right there. Okay, and the curling iron that I'm using is the T3, and I think is the 1.5 inches thereabouts. Okay, and if you guys want an in-depth tutorial on how to curl, I do have that on my channel. I'll try and link it down below, or just check my channel, check some videos out on my channel. Okay, so, and that baby is stuck right there. So I went in with my zigzag shears. I kind of like this, using zigzag shear better, because you don't have to be going zigzag. you just go ahead to, what am I saying? Am I making sense? Anyways, guys, just watch the video. So that's the hair tab area. The hair is secured, so if you want to wear your lace frontal glueless, there's no magic anybody can do by the hair tab area. You can wear your lace frontal glueless. It means you can wear it glueless. However, if you want your hair tab area to show, you might have to do something like using a gel to slick it down. Okay, so that's it. So, and I went ahead to use needle and thread, to secure the back, I guess. That's what I did. I can't remember. I'm doing voiceover right now, guys. Oh, okay. I know what happened. So the wig was bigger than her. Okay, that's the problem when you buy pre-made wig, because it's not your exact head size. That's why some people would rather have a custom wig. Okay, and that was the only thing I could do for her at that time, you know. So she bought a pre-made wig, so it felt better after doing that. You know, it wasn't bulky anymore at the back. So yes, we good. So that was what I did. Okay, I hope I'm understood. If you have any question, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. And please guys, if you find this video helpful, if you learn anything new, please give me a like. Okay, let's get this video to 100 likes, at least 100 likes. Okay, and I will upload more videos for you guys. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.